Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix no sound during calls on iPhone issue. So guys, many of you are complaining about whenever you are on calls you are facing an issue of no sound, that you receive no sound from other end and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix no sound during calls on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check volume levels during your calls. One of the first things you should do if you can't hear anything during calls is check if your iPhone's volume level for calls is turned all the way up to be audible. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is turn off phone noise cancellation on iPhone. The phone noise cancellation feature on iPhones can help you hear better when you're holding the receivers to your ears during calls in a noisy environment. While it's a mean to help you, it can sometimes make calls sound interrupted. Hence you must turn it off phone noise cancellation to see if that helps. After turning off the phone noise cancellation on your iPhone and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and you will see your option general. Tap on it, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix no sound during calls on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.